Get a perfect stencil every time.
We got it. Here, then you duplicate the layer, and then we're gonna make this layer, we're gonna desaturate this layer, and we're gonna change the levels to bring some light to it like this. And then we're gonna duplicate this layer. The layer mode is going to be difference, and then we're going to add a filter and a blur, Gaussian blur, and then we can play with the levels here to get the desired result that we want. I think this works for me because I want mostly just the outline. And then we're gonna merge these two layers together. So we're gonna merge down, and then we're gonna play with the levels, adjust the levels. We're gonna flip the image, adjust the size, we got it.